As some Fox Mustangs grow in value, it's really hard to justify messing them up with permanent modifications. Such is the case with this 1986 Celine. It came with onion head upper strut mounts that are oddly an old Ford part used on previous Fox Mustangs. These are getting really hard to find, so we wanted to preserve them for the future. We also found that our Coney yellow strut adjusters were hitting the hood. Time to look for another option. Rather than mess with the factory onion heads, we replaced them with a simple solution from Kenny Brown Performance. The company's Caster Plus kit adds caster angle and allows easy camber adjustment. The polyurethane bushings are also quieter than other designs that use spherical bearings. They install as direct replacements for factory upper mounts on all 79 to 93 Fox Mustangs without any drilling or grinding. They're a great solution for applications like this Fox Celine.